Inca Lanes Bowling Center here in Yuma, Arizona. We are curious how this place looks like. So, let's go inside, guys, and we'll observe. Yan, my first time lang din namin dito makapunta. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang hitsura sa loob ng... Ayan, this is the entrance part. And VID and pool. Okay, we'll just wanna observe and see. Ayan, welcome veterans. Thank you for your service. Ayan, tingnan muna natin ang kaloob-looban. Ayan, may CR sila dito. And then, ito ang counter nila. Tingnan mo muna natin kung ano ang babayaran natin. Ha? Okay, bye.
So we got 40 lanes.
Wow, lighan.
Yeah.
So this is inside the Inca Lane. Wow. How many, huh? Oh yeah. This is their lanes. It's bigger than where we at. We only have 4 lanes. O diba? May ano din sila dito. Mag-snack ka dyan. May restroom. O ayan. Most of them are wearing uniforms for the league. Ayan, tingnan mo. Ay, ganda din. Cool. Chance to win. That's the restroom and office. They have like a little game time here. Oh yes. Oh yeah, let's see. I'm gonna look on the si mo ni ilang kuan bowling.